Right now,
Correct.
we want them to get
It's
it
flowing,
quick.
right.
We want them to see a build-up, so they pay in the express. So I say we'll leave it like this now,
Yeah.
and then we just run
Okay.
it like that.
I like that.
Gentlemen, do you have a table?
He's looking for a table.
Okay, for how many people?
That's I thought you had money for me,
What's
man.
happening?
Damn.
Huh?
I thought you had some money for me, man.
You gotta
Damn.
you gotta make the money to get the money. I think tonight, if they got their ticket and they want to skip,
I mean, I did 100 between three.
huh?
That's not.
Oh, you said for the three of them.
Yeah, yeah.
That's $30.
Yeah. No,
I thought you said 100 each. I was like, no, man, don't do that. Tell me what you want to do for the extra three people. Tell me what you want to do first, and then I'm gonna go over there and make y'all. I'm gonna make y'all right. What you want to do?
Whatever
with the
you want us to pay
no,
for it.
No, I want to make it. It's your birthday, right? You tell me what you want to pay for, and we're gonna go from there.
I'll pay 50 for each one of them. Each.
There it is. Can you take SNS to the DJ booth because he gonna DJ?
I'm gonna send him directly to. What's your name?
This SNS. Can you just?
I'm gonna. You want him?
Yeah, just take him to the booth. Thank you. And I'll see you in a minute, brother.
So
You cool with that, right?
Which one?
24.
You're asking a lot of questions. You just asked me to move you down. I'm gonna move you down. You gotta trust me on this.
How do you feel about doing no artists on Sunday? I love it.
It's great.
Where we at right now, though? You know?
Crazy, out of control,
I know.
man. You gotta stop.
Yeah.
What's
How
up,
you
baby?
feeling? How you feeling?
Oh, what
you feeling
mean?
good? How you feeling?
I feel good every day.
It's all good.
It's a plus, baby.
I know it is.
How you?
I'm good, man.
Making money or no?
We gonna get some paper. We gonna get some paper. We
As
gonna get.
long as you get rich and I'm happier, baby.
Oh, if I get rich, you get rich, cause I'm always gonna break bread with you. All right.
Let me know to make a video right now. They gonna feel us tonight, baby.
Yo, Al, why don't you come up here, Al?
Following you.
What up, baby? Shane.
Following you.
Shane, you see this nigga here?
Yeah, you see this nigga?
Following you.
I think ain't that sexy tonight. I'm
Shouts out to Stevie J and this bitch. Fab, I see you. Beauty shit, Lord, what's happening?
Thank you, brother.
Shout out my nigga Jeezy and this motherfucker. Easy and this motherfucker. Shout out my boy Stevie J and this motherfucker. Mike Gardner, headliner.